We are going to find the derivative of x cubed plus 4x plus 5 and 9x plus 3 plus 5. Our f is this, and our g is this. We're going to write it. And our f prime is 3x plus 4, and our g is 9x plus 3 plus 5. Our g prime is 9 because a constant is always 0. And following the formula, our final answer is going to be 3x plus 4 and 9x plus 3 plus 5 plus x cubed plus 4x plus 5 and 9. And this
Today we were going to answer a product rule. We were given a problem which is d over dx is equals to 5x minus 6 to the power of 3 multiplied by 4 plus x to the power of 2. And we were given a formula of d over dx is equals to f prime multiplied by g plus f multiplied by g prime. Our finding the f prime is you need to have the derivative of f, which is 5x minus 6x to the power of 3, and its derivative is 5 minus 18x to the power of 2. And finding the g prime is you need to have the derivative of g, which is 4 plus x to the power of 2, and its derivative is 2x. Finding the answer of the product rule is we need to follow the formula, which is f prime multiplied by g plus f multiplied by g prime, which is our f prime is 5 minus 18x to the power of 2, and our g is 4 plus x to the power of 2, then plus our f is 5x minus 6x to the power of 3, and our g prime is 2x. And this is going to be our answer for this problem. And there's a second problem, which is fx is equals to x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 4 plus 8. And our f is this one, x to the power of 3, and our g is x to the power of 4 plus 8. And finding the f prime is you need to have the derivative of f, which is 3x to the power of 2, and the derivative of g, which is 4x to the power of 3. And finding the answer of the product rule is we need to follow this formula, which is our f prime is 3x to the power of 2 multiplied by g x to the power of 4 plus 8, then plus the f, which is x to the power of 3, then our g prime, which is 4x to the power of 3. Then distribute 3x to the power of 2 multiplied by x to the power of 4 is 3x to the power of 6. Then 3x squared multiplied by 8 is 16x to the power of 2. Then x cubed multiplied by 4x to the power of 3 is 4x to the power of 6. And combine like terms, like 3, the like terms is 3x to the power of 6 and 4x to the power of 6. 3x to the power of 6 plus 4x to the power of 6 is 7x to the power of 6. Then copy 16x to the power of 2, and that's our answer to this problem.
is our final answer.
We're going to find the derivative of x squared plus 6 and 3x minus 5x cubed. Our f is x squared plus 6 and our g is 3x minus 5x cubed. For f prime is the derivative of x squared is 2x Then for g prime is equals to the derivative of 3x is 3 and the derivative of 5x cubed is 15x squared. Using this expression, the derivative of f times g is equals to f prime times g plus f times g prime. So our f prime is 2x and g is 3x minus 5x cubed plus f is x squared plus 6 and the g prime is 3 minus 15x squared. So this is the final answer.
Let's say we have this given x squared plus 15x plus 5 and then 20x plus 3 plus 10. So our f is this one and our g is this one. So our f prime is 2x plus 15 and our g prime is 20 only. To find the final answer, we're going to use the formula of product rule. So this is the final answer.
Now we're going to find the derivative of 9x plus 2 to the power of 8. We're going to move the 8 from the front and put it here and copy 9x plus 2. And we're going to subtract 8 with 1. It becomes 7. And we're going to write the derivative of 9x plus 2, which is only 9 because 2 is a constant. And after that, we're going to multiply 8 with 9. 8 times 9 is 72. And copy the inside, which is 9x plus 2. And we're also going to copy the exponent, which is 7. And this is our final answer. Another example is the derivative of dx plus 15 plus 3x plus 10 to the power of 9. Like before, we're going to move the 9 from the front, copy the inside, which is 15 plus 3x plus 10, and subtract the 9 with 1, and it becomes 8. After that, we're going to find the derivative of these, and which is 3, because these two are consonants and consonant, and every consonant becomes 0. And now we're going to multiply 9 with 3, which is 27. Copy the inside, which is 15 plus 3x plus 10. Copy also the exponent, 8. And now this is our final answer for our chain rule.
In the chain rule, we have a problem of y equals 6x plus 1 to the power of 6. Finding the answer of the chain rule problem is we need to perform a power rule on the whole given. So performing the power rule of the whole given is you need just the exponent. So we're going to keep this one and we're going to represent this one as x, so it will be easier for us to get the power rule. After performing a power rule, we will get 6x to the power of 5. After getting the power rule is you need to substitute this given into x, so it will going to be 6 multiplied 6x plus 1 to the power of 5. Then after that is we're going to find the derivative of the bracket differentiated, which is 6x plus 1. Finding the derivative of this is we need to perform the derivative on each 6x and 1. Finding the derivative of 6x is 6, and finding the derivative of a constant is 0. So the derivative of a bracket differentiated is 6, so we will going to put this one. Then after that is we will going to multiply this 6 multiplied by 6, we will get 36 and copy this one. So we will get answer of 36 multiplied by 6x plus 1 to the power of 5.
So let's say we have h of t equals t to the power of 6 square root of 5t to the power of 2 minus t. So for this given, we will need to do the product rule to start off the derivative. So we have h prime of t equals to 6t to the power of 5 times 5t to the power of 2 minus t to the power of 1 half plus t to the power of 6 times 1 half times 5t to the power of 2 minus t to the power of negative 1 half, then times 10t minus 1. So in the process, we will need to use the chain rule when we differentiate the second term. So the derivative is then so the final answer is
we're going to find the derivative of 10x plus 4 raised to the power of 4. So we will move the exponent 4 in front 4 and copy what's inside 10x plus 4. And then we'll subtract the exponent to 1. So it's 4 minus 1 equals 3. And we'll get the derivative of 10x plus 4, which is 10. After that, we will times 4 times 10. So it's 40. And copy 10x plus 4 to the power of 3. Then that's the final answer.